So this was sent to me by the brand, and this has actually got 50 graduation photo clips. So you can see that these are little clips and they have graduation hats on them. And what you can do is you can actually hang photos from this particular clip. So I do have 2 seniors graduating this year because I do have twins. And so what this is going to do is you basically can go ahead and actually clip it just like that. And then this can be hung anywhere at your graduation party or graduation celebration that you're having for your kids. It also comes with 50 feet of jute so that you can actually go ahead and string this along the wall, and you can use the attached stickers that they provided, which are basically like glue dots, right? And then what you can do is you can actually use these glue dots on the clothespins. They also provided you with a bunch of letters so that you can actually put grad 2026 or their name or whatever it may be. So this is actually going to provide me with enough jute and clips to be able to have both of my son's pictures displayed on the entire graduation party. And like I said, all of these clips look exactly the same. They don't have any different designs. They're all going to have the graduation cap, but they are made out of wood. They actually have a really good little pinch to them that actually connects really good, really tight right there. They also went ahead and they gave you some tweezers so that you can actually pick through all of these and then string them through as well. So this is a really cute little set. I really feel like this is going to create a very festive graduation decor. And then you can just do a photo display without needing to buy a bunch of separate supplies. So I'm very happy with this, and I'm super excited to be able to use this at our graduation party.